Ladies and gentlemen, some time ago you were shown a picture. Then you have written a story about the same. What you are going to do now is in continuum of the same. What you have to tell us first, individually in the order of chess numbers, as to what you saw in the picture. The number of characters, their gender, age, mood. Then briefly describe as to what led to the situation, what is going on, what is the outcome as perceived by each one of you. Once you all finish your individual narration, then you will discuss among yourself and evolve a consensus on the same aspect. That is the number of characters, their gender, age, mood, what led to the situation, what is going on and what is the outcome. At the end of your discussion, you can nominate anyone from the group to tell us whatever the broad consensus has been arrived at. Consensus you all understand? Consensus is broad agreement. Now ladies and gentlemen, in this task you have to follow few rules. Please remember that SSB, whenever they say rules, whatever instruction they give you, they mean it. There is no lip service there that they say something and we can afford to ignore it. It will unnecessarily irritate them. So listen to it carefully. First and foremost, please be very brief, crisp and to the point during your individual narration so that you have more time for discussion. As we have told you, roughly you will be getting just about 1 minute. So there will be no time for any pleasantries. Good afternoon, gentlemen, friends, I am so and so, nothing. Straight away you will begin your narration. Friends, in this picture I have seen so many characters, age, gender, and then whatever you want to say. And moment you finish, say thank you, so that the next person knows you have finished. Basically, you are required to tell the broad gist of your narrative and you need not go into the broad details. But having said that, don't be sketchy also. 1 minute is pretty decent. Okay, it doesn't mean that you are sketchy and don't miss any important ingredients of your story. Here we have seen, in spite of telling, some of you are dragged. Don't unnecessarily drag the story. And when I say 1 minute, doesn't mean there will be a stopwatch or it will start ticking. So it's not like that 55 seconds, 1 minute, 10 seconds. It's your intuition and instinct, roughly around 1 minute. Secondly, you will remain seated throughout the exercise and are not required to stand up at any stage, except when the person who is nominated to present the group consensus, that is the only time he or she will stand up in front of his or her chair. That is the only time you will look at assessors, in this case us, and tell us whatever the broad consensus has been arrived at. Please safeguard telling your own narration, okay? It is what group has decided. Otherwise, whenever you speak, please address to the group members and not to us. The language to be used here is English, but if you get stuck somewhere here and there, you can speak a little bit of Hindi, but no regional languages would be permitted at SSB. We will begin with chess number 2, who is our first on the sequence, and then following numerical sequence 4, 5 till chess number 49. Chess number 2 will begin his individual narration, and moment he finishes and says thank you, next person can take over from him without waiting for any signal or indication from us. We will follow the same procedure till chess number 49. Similarly, the moment chess number 49 finishes, you can start off with the discussion again without waiting for any signal or indication from us. Clear, all of you?
This is a city place and it is traffic and many cars are there. There are 6 characters.
Whenever I am going to his father, and my main character was Rahul. He is.
One day after completion of his working hours, he passes through a busy market where he sees a boy crossing the road without any supervision.
The road was full of vehicles traveling. Once a mother and a child went to market to take some things.
But the boy was not able to hear him. So
college and he stuck in the traffic and he saw that a small child running between the traffic and he stopped with the help of traffic police.
Ram was a young person who is waiting to cross the road, and
person was thus. He is a software engineer, and while he was on his way back to his home,
quickly makes a hand signal to the vehicle rushing
towards the kid and
characters. So in my picture, my main role revolves around the name Saurav, gender male, age 24 years and mood positive.
The marketplace, and it was actually a busy market. A number of persons were 5, out of which 3 were men.
One morning when he was going to his office with his friend, he saw a rash driver driving carelessly who nearly hit a child crossing the road.
The child left her mother's hand, the small child. The Nihal observed him, Nihal was a
car hit the girl. So he ran towards the girl and picked her up and saved her life. So he was so
We'll keep, as most of us have decided, as most of us
I'm building a mother and a child. Yes. And the man who.
But the main role is
explain the main role as he alert the other public. And he the help of the other public. But the main is
I want to add something that they alarm the public. But hit the child.
Just nearly hit the child is not. We can do the positive thought by.
Also include the market as it
Traffic police were allotted to this areas for happening in the future.
And when about this situation and the necessary first aid was given to the child.
Positive manner.
Actually, the team is practically possible. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, but
There is high probability that accident will occur.
According to chase number 24, that street market was a busy road and the busy roads are the probability of an accident. If the accident will occur,
We had a very lively discussion. Now your time is up. You can nominate anyone from the group to tell us whatever the broad consensus has been arrived at. Nominate कर दो किसी को.
Well, I like to.
The story begins like this. Ashok was going to his job with his friend, and on the way, that small girl was hit by a speeding car. So he immediately got there and So he immediately got there. As the girl was bleeding, so he put handkerchief on that bleeding part, and he tell his friend to clear the traffic so that there should not be any traffic jam. So as the girl was unconscious, so they took that girl to the hospital, admitted her, informed her parents, and Ashok also informed his boss, so that Ashok also informed his boss that he will get late. Thank you.
Happens. At SSB, of course, what happens is their batches finish. There will be 4-5 rooms. As I told you, you will be called in batches. First 4 groups, then 4, and then you are given break off. Thereafter, you are giving some meal break, or you made to sit back somewhere. But you will not be going to the candidates who are in the waiting. And when the last group has finished, then your results are compiled. They look at your performance here, and also look at your officer intelligence rating, that verbal and non-verbal test. Coupled with that, they will decide whether you are going to the next round or not. But here, since it's a training, we will give you the feedback straight away. First, I remembered a quote, wise things alike and fools seldom differ. But you just, almost the same kind of thinking, as it was going through, you were just after that child rescue, was this, somebody hit somebody. So, that's what. Secondly, I was wondering, what is this obsession with software engineer? Because it could have been anything. He is not going to, he or she is not in technology, maybe possibly they are moving around so much. So I was, software had no role to play actually. It could have anyone. It could be even, so anyway. And one thing was there which I noticed, that here one thing, you constructed something, but mother was shown in a poor light. It means mother is not taking care. That could be inferences related to young child, parents. Anyway, that does not have anything. First I will cover what you said in your group consensus. Okay, office go there, of course, software engineer went away. Possibly, software engineer only was going to office. Anyway, doesn't matter that. Okay, the small girl bleeding, that was the kind of dispute. In the sense debate, there was a kind of argument whether she has got hit already, she is being rescued, or before that. So generally, anyway, that was a group's call. But I think it could have been, generally it has not happened. Most of the people here have saved her before she, anyway, it doesn't matter, because ultimately she has been saved. Okay, now coming to the individual and your just number 2. I think you are okay, you're intelligent, because in the given circumstances or possibly your traffic security, and so you are okay, you narrated it well. But I have written your case. Think bigger and better. That's true for everyone. This could have been a trigger for something bigger. I'm telling you, if SSB the same picture had been shown, possibly none of you will go through. Because that situation could have triggered and stimulated you to deal something with the traffic situation in India, the kind of weather, the number of people, something could have been, triggered. So anyway, so I've written think bigger and better. And also you exceeded 1 minute, you forward 1 minute. I told just now that be around 1 minute, you were still dragging, and in fact I must appreciate, commend you what you can add on to it, because you have done everything. Just stick to around 1 minute, okay? Otherwise you're okay, then you participate in the discussion. And so we all of us felt that you are good enough to go to the next round. Just number 4. You see, situation, it was so simple, but one, you have to be fluent, okay? And look around, you are looking down. I am just going to open, keep your eyes open. This please practice, okay? Because your eyes are, you are getting close, you are not looking at anyone. So you have to basically improve your mannerism. Practice in front of your friends, in front of the mirror. Digital mobile is there, you can record and get fluency, whatever needs to be done. We will tell you if you are, because so even in this such a simple situation, you were saying whatever, but you could not deliver, okay? And then again you are not participating in the discussion at all, okay? So none of us felt that you are good enough to go to the next round. So you have to pull up your socks, okay? Just number 5. Okay, he was again, this is busy market and road and child. You know, but you are also married. Your problem was you are looking okay after individual narration, but no participate in the discussion. What are you thinking? You have been told very clearly, this will decide. In PPT, last impression is the lasting impression. We have told you. Okay, whatever you might have written a brilliant story, narrated it well, but if you do not contribute to the group cause, you will not go through. Okay, please talk, and this was such a simple thing. Just a child crossing the road or some being saved and help. That's all. What was holding you, I fail to understand. Don't do that. Okay? So again, because of that, none of us felt that you are good enough to go to the next round. Just number 11. You also got the child crossing and all that. That was okay because most of you thought like that. But you needed to look around. Okay, and you almost withdrew. Your chair also went back. You thought I have done my job. Not, I told you anyway. Now you don't even know. Actually, I can't say you were behaving like as if you are a wedding guest now. But I have done my job. Now I am waiting for the meals to be served. This is not the way to be in a group. Okay. So, and you also didn't participate at all. You are okay. Whatever you narrated, all right. But you need to look around. Please, again, none of us felt you can go to the next round. Chess number 12. Your narration was okay, some car and child and somebody is buying. So narrated it all right and you try to participate in the discussion. Okay. So two of us felt that you can go, you are good enough to go the next round, and one of us felt that perhaps you are not right up there. So you are very close. Okay, contribute more to the group discussion. Chess number 13. Your 13, your theme was okay. There was nothing, but your mannerism and all that. You even in this you have to look. Why you have to be convincing? It was such a simple situation which you are creating that has to be delivered properly. You have to look confident at all. Even there also, and then hardly any participation in the discussion. Okay, better you have to participate. Unless you do that, you will not go to the next round. So in your case, so you are not all that bad. Actually, one of us felt that possibly whatever you performed, you still can go to the next round. But two of us felt that you still need to do little more. Okay, so you need to work. 18. Mother and child and all that same thing. You are too slow. Okay, world doesn't have so much of time to listen to you. Yes, everybody has one way of pitch and modulation, but you are too slow. And your theme and mannerism you need to improve. You should look smart, confident, elegant. Here, that is not coming, and you also so hung up you don't participate in that. I don't think you uttered a word even. Please, you have not come here just to listen to others. Okay, no, please participate. So, okay, obviously, you still became doubtful with all of us. I mean, none of us felt you were good enough to go to the next one. 21. Your thing was okay, whatever busy market and okay, that child was crossing, so you delivered it all right, and then you tried to participate in the discussion also. So we all felt why. But I would have, we would have been happy if at least one of you would have felt that this is a bigger malice which is affecting, bigger problem. Something could have been done about that. Okay, why can't we have, we need to have maybe foot over bridges or something. Okay, fine, the child issue was there, so you should have done something bigger. You have gone, something would have been done. Where we enforce laws and all that, so that people follow. It could have at least something, one aspect you could have done. Anyway, you also, otherwise whatever you did was okay. 23, your individual narration was alright. Okay, but your participation was not that much. You were little hesitant. So, two of us felt you are good enough to go to the next round, but one felt doubtful, so you also need to do more. 24, you were okay. I think you did it, narration, everything was fine, but even you could not raise the level of the theme. That was one thing, but otherwise whatever you did, you participate in the discussion, and you also, kind of at least some discussion here. At least that point you were wondering, what discussion will be there, because everybody is talking child crossing, saved, but at least it came whether it has been saved or it has been, rescued after being hit and taken to the hospital. So at least it induced some discussion at least. Okay, so you tried, but doesn't matter. Either the child is saved, that is the saving grace, because we are also, kind of happy. Okay, 25. You only, you bleeding, cheating. Why you are making so boring? I think I don't know, sir is sitting here. Our psychology में तो पता नहीं, I will tell you what kind of impact है. इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं. वो bleeding, ये वो child है, वैसे ही people will start crying there. Don't make it so kind of thing. ठीक है, hit हो गई है. Either it has been just before, and because you are going to save her anyway. So why make it, child getting hit anyway? So don't make it so gory unless, see, listen, if you had seen the blood there somewhere, then you can have to, don't go that far. Child has been hit, that's it. Okay, then you are taking her to hospital anyway. So don't do this. I think sir will tell you maybe now itself. I think it would have been best avoided. That was anyway. Otherwise you are okay. You are nominated also. You did a okay job. 26. You are pretty forthright. Okay, you are whatever you said. It was child has been saved and you also rescued to the hospital. But only thing is, you could have also, none of you, here, you could have taken at least thought, why not do something bigger than, see, yesterday I told you, what is in it for the society? Just honestly, just saving a girl, that thing you forgot. Normally you are doing, you could have said, okay, now what is, if a child is saved, what's not a big deal on it? Yes, a child life is a big deal, but still, it is not something. You could have thought, how can we save more children? Something we don't have, as a nation, we are not children friendly kind of thing. Where children are safe, secure, their play places, they can cross with the traffic doesn't stop. I'm telling you, school going is terrible situation. I know myself that I don't need to tell how the school girl was hit and all that. So anyway, you next time do it. Think bigger all of it. That girl and that situation on the road should have. I'm sure you are aware of that colonel who was once hit on the road. He went to the Supreme Court and he has made, moved all the liquor shop away, minimum 1 kilometer, not on the highway. See, this is what you have to do for something like that. Chalo, anyway, overall you take, don't be in a hurry to nominate. Listen, it's okay. Because you should believe, although we say nomination is not a big deal, but you should wait. If it's genuinely, kind of expected by the group, it shows your impact. So don't be in a hurry. You should believe, yes, I may be nominated. Okay, so don't be in a hurry like this. Just have a pause for 15 seconds. Maybe you would have been nominated. So that is for everyone. And others who are sitting at the back also, I'm sure you are listening. Because these points, observations you can also learn from it. And otherwise you are okay, and we all felt whatever your performance was, that with this kind of performance you should be able to go to the next one. 29. Your individual narration was okay. There was I think whatever, there was a car and all that, you saved her, you delivered it okay, but no participation. What are you thinking? Listen, I am telling you, PPDT, they don't do, nobody does charity. In fact, here at least, okay, you have to earn your spot in the main round. I am telling you, half-hearted, and in spite of knowing, how many times we need to tell you that participation in the discussion will decide, but still you lose sight of that. So now you have become doubtful with all of us. Okay, 49, you are also the same. Individual narration was okay. You are not participating, so you also became doubtful. None of us felt you can go round. Okay, so that's it, sir. Now, if you have anything to add.
Not individually, but few points that I want to highlight. Avoid topics like drunken driving. Okay, but I mean, it had no relevance to this story. So, don't create unwanted situations which creates a problem. Okay. Then avoid looking at the assessors. Some of you have the habit of looking at the assessor. Understand it's a group activity. So be part of the group, be oblivious of assessor's presence. You will be more comfortable, you will be able to take part in discussion better if you forget about them. I can assure you that. The problem is all of you are conscious of assessors sitting there. They do their job. You do your job first. Why are you worried about them? It's a group activity. Be part of the group and take part in the group as a group. That will you will be able to do a better job. Okay. Many of you have that problem. Okay. I think you have been already told test number 11. You have got to. You look as if you are absolutely disinterested in the group. Your body language, the way you are sitting, the way you are performing. Even once you finish your narration or even before narration, ensure that you show interest in the group activity. Don't look up, down and as if you don't know what's happening there. It's a group activity. So everyone talking, you have to listen to them. Whether it's before your narration or after your narration. Don't just switch off. Many of you do that. Some people are just preparing their narration before before your turn, not looking at or hearing what others are talking. Those who have finished are just switched off. My time is over. That's all. I have nothing more to do. Don't do that. Be involved with the group throughout. That will show a better performance on your part. Okay, I think that is already brought. Don't show too much of carelessness on part of the mother. It doesn't speak well. Your intention should be to improve the quality of story. The theme, all of you unfortunately have the same theme of a traffic accident. Probably the picture was slightly too clear to make it obvious. But in SSB it will not be like this. There would be doubt in your mind. So selected theme, you will have different theme. But even if the theme is same, have some content in your story. Just most of you have just described that picture. Understand, picture is only a stimulus for you to think, to run your imagination, come up with good points, good ideas, which none of you follow. All of you just describe that picture, one vehicle coming, accident and save child, and that's about all. Forget about social cause here, it was just a description of picture. None of you had any imagination. And that is not the aim of this PPDT. It is to show how your imagination, it could have been anything. We kept saying, you could have, you give an example, that someone went to court. I mean, there was a traffic problem. How do you visualize what is a traffic problem? How can we resolve it? Who is the first responder who comes and responds in such cases? What action? Someone did mention dial 100 emergency number. Okay, good. At least he knows that there is an emergency number. Like there are small things that you can bring out. That is how you can improve the quality of the picture. And that's very, very important, not just describing the picture. Like someone spoke about first aid. I mean, how do you give first aid? Talking about that would have made your story better. You would have shown that you are a more informed, knowledgeable person. So don't describe the picture for heaven's sake. Your story level is sure to be low. Enhance the story level, okay? I gave you an example of few people did try, but you should have at least 2-3 points bringing out the content properly. I'm sure you must have been told the layout of the story. What led to the situation, what is happening, and what you visualize the situation. Most of you are just told what is happening. You just describe the picture. Give a background. Then the description should be minimum. I mean, you have got 1 minute. 3 to 4, when you would have written 3 to 4 sentences, maximum you could have written about the background leading to the situation. At minimum sentences, 2 or 3 sentences would be adequate for the what is happening there. Maximum effort should be towards what you visualize the situation, wherein you project the hero, which indirectly is your thought process as a dynamic person set out to achieve some goal, achieve some target. And that is how you bring out the story and come up with a brilliant or at least bright idea, and we recommend let it be for a social cause. Okay, keep that in mind. Again, when you are sitting here, ensure that, understand, there is a process of elimination in this testing. We can't, as we go along, we start eliminating people, the assessors there. Okay, he is not okay, he is doing this. And finally, we are left with few people whom we really want to concentrate and see their discussion part. You may not know it, so you will have to perform throughout, from the beginning till end. But that is how the assessment is going on. Don't get eliminated for mundane reasons, lack of interest, not taking part in discussions. I mean, this is not showing your intelligence or anything. It is just an attitude. So ensure that you have a positive attitude sitting out here. Ensure that you sit properly, your body language, don't be too shaky, don't have body contact. You are 26, you are literally doing wrestling with him. Avoid those things. Those are bad body language that you are presenting. The way you sit, the way you are dressed, all these things does play a role. So keep all these things in mind while you are there. This is your first, this is your first week here, all of you. So I'm sure the next week you will do a much better job, because today's performance, I would say it was very good. Okay. Okay.
I'll just cover quickly 5 points. I told you what is the concept and aim of being PPT. What is the concept? To test your level of perception. No doubt about that. And build up a story on your imagination. And what is the aim of conducting the PPT? Is to find out, do you have it in you to face the main SSB next day onwards by projecting the qualities that I have illustrated here through the lead character. Agreed? Yes. Number 2. Only 5 of you brought out the name of a lead character. Hero or heroine. Others just took out from the middle part of the story. But they know hero or heroine, how can you produce the story? So please ensure either you pre-prepare the names or give a name. Number 2. SCPS. The 2 formulas I gave you. SCP stand for, what do you see in the backdrop of the whole picture? How many characters are there? Picking up one of the characters. Now you say this activity is going on in the picture, correct? Why common story is coming? Because picture is slightly clearer. Aim was that actually you are able to speak that much. Imagine it was totally dark, probably you would have been able to write a story. So that was my aim of giving you a clearer picture. Please do SCP. In the picture I saw a diagram of a busy marketplace with 7 characters, and I perceived one of the characters is my lead character. With the aim of the public is helping out the child from getting help. Agreed? The next point is, I explained to you the definition of a story. Story is an event conveyed either in writing or verbal. But the theme is missing, central theme. I told you the theme must come out of one of these. Now, raising the level of the story already brought out means that your age group, don't just keep going around mopping up blood and creating a negative scene and then you want to build up the scene. Already the situation is negative. Transform it into a positive order. Alright? Then completing the story. You all start mumbling after the middle part of the story. And suddenly you realize, I've forgotten the story. And you end up by saying thank you. The way you started with assertion, the presentation of the story must also be the ending also with that jewel. Two of them did it, and I'm glad it was brought out that you must assert in the beginning also and the end also. Now, after you have finished telling me your story, don't just switch off and say, I've done my bit. You must listen to everybody else's story to pick up good points for discussion. And notice, except for one, nobody has bothered to listen to the other 14 stories. So please listen to other stories, collect good points and keep it ready for the discussion. No use jumping up and start yelling around. Alright? Remain awake, listen to the last person's story and collect these points. Body language adequately brought out. Most importantly is your facial. Your facial impression is very important. Even though inside you're having look good here, but at least give a smile. Today I start telling you about the importance of smiling, not just showing your teeth. Your facial expression even pushes us up. I'm going to sleep, you know. I want you this in the morning. Your body language is 50% your score is already given in your body language itself. Got it? Alright, come on, cheer up now. In the morning we sang Jana Gana Mana for the BJP, correct? Yes, what George you had, I thought the fashion will fall down. Alright. Eye contact. You are looking at the ceiling, somebody looking at his feet. Eye contact with the neighbors. I told you, dramatics is required. So look around right and left, tell them a nice juicy story, maybe good or bad or at least not the point. What is that you are showing confidence over? Okay? So you will be addressing your feet, nobody is on the right, so you should be addressing everyone on the left. The best part is this portion. You must look to both the size and address them. Lastly, the key to the whole story is the theme. Though you did bring out life saving India as part of a social cause. That you will only find out if you scan the picture. I told you how to scan it. Backdrop, you got a picture in the pixel, right? Backdrop and front. And from west to east and north to north, you get the key to the whole story. Especially in PPDC. Because the picture will be blurred or big. Right? Have you understood behind?
Yes, sir.
I'm done.